Now when I discuss with a modern scientist about sort of emotion, about psychology, then sometimes I publicly sort of express, when I discuss with the modern psychology from the West, I really feel, their knowledge about mind, about emotion, compare ancient Indian sort of knowledge about mind or emotion, then Western modern psychology looks like kindergarten level. Indian psychology highly developed. So now these things, we should not consider these things are part of religion. No, these things should consider academic subject. So Indian education field now should include more knowledge about emotion, about mind. I usually used to describe, we in sort of education field, we also include hygiene of physical. Now why not should include hygiene of emotion? That's very important. So those tradition, emphasis on faith, not relevant, the training of emotion, not much relevant, just a faith. In this country, the major three religious tradition emphasis self-creation. Then these things become very relevant. So now these, you see, should include in modern education, in India's modern education field. This is my view. So I totally, now 82-year-old, I don't know how long I remain, maybe 10, 15 years. So rest of my life, I now totally committed to serve for revival of ancient Indian knowledge, including few thousand, you see, scholars now here. A few years ago, you see, I suggest to them, some of them should study English and Hindi and the Malayalam, like that, because you see, in South India. So I really feel, you see, now time come, these knowledge which actually come from India. We are chela of ancient Indian guru. So I usually is telling, we are not only chela, but also reliable chela. Over almost 1,000 years, while Guru's own land, a lot of things happen about Indian culture, Indian philosophy, these things, too much ups and downs. While Guru's own land, these things happen. In Tibet, we as a chela, we kept all this knowledge. Therefore, it is sufficient reason to claim we are reliable chela. Now, in a way, the ancient time, you are guru, we are chela. Now, modern time, it seems chela become guru, guru become chela. So, in any way, this is very serious. Now, existing modern education, because of that, materialistic life, materialistic culture, through that, there is no room of moral ethics. So, a lot of man-made problems now we are facing. Just pray to God, to Buddha, not answer. We must, through action, we must change these things. In order to carry realistic action, we need a vision. So India, future of India, I think great. So please now think more seriously this matter. So young Indian eventually can make significant contribution for better world, compassionate world. So that's my talk. Now some questions.